Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher of English, Day Shift. Today I will take Class 3 English Language. English Language. Our today's subject is English Language. Today our topic is Lesson 3. We will discuss the Lesson 3 and we will do exercise number 1 and 3 CW. Our today's lecture is 5. Okay, today we will do this book, Enjoying Grammar Book 3. Enjoying Grammar Book 3. Okay, now come to our class. Our today's topic is Gender Lesson 3. Gender Lesson 3. See the pictures. What is saying there? Rahul and his father are males. Sunita and her mother are females. Here, all of they are the people, but we can identify them in different way that they too are the male and they too are female. So when we can identify that who is female or who is male, this is the way of finding out gender. Gender is the word through which we can understand that whether the person is male or female or the thing is neuter or common. Now, nouns can be of 4 genders: masculine, feminine, neuter and common. Masculine genders are the male nouns like man, boy, king, priest, lion, drake. Feminine gender is the female nouns like woman, girl, lioness, princess, duck. Neuter gender refers to the non-living things like pencil, chair, tree, school. These are the non-living things, so these are called the neuter gender. Common gender refers to the common things like refer to both male and female nouns like baby, friend, student, neighbor, doctor, cousin. Your next door neighbor, he can be male or female. In that case, the neighbor is a common gender. Now we will do the exercise. Write the names of the animals in the box in the correct columns on the next page. We will do exercise number 1. So which words are given for us? Duck, cock, tigress, lion, bull, goose, mare, vixen. Here both the masculine gender and feminine genders are given. We have to find out them according to their opposite one. So here first one is done for you. Tiger. Tiger is a masculine noun and its feminine noun is tigress. Later gander. Gander is a masculine word and its opposite is goose. So we will write now goose. G-O-O-S-E. Goose. Number 3, there is a blank and cow. Cow is a feminine word. So what is the masculine one? The masculine one is bull. B-U-L-L. Bull, cow. Next, there is given lioness. So what is the masculine of lioness? Lion. It will be lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Number 5, horse. Horse is a masculine noun, masculine gender. We have to find out the feminine. The feminine of horse is mare. M-A-R-E, mare. M-A-R-E, mare. Then number 6, drake. Drake is the masculine form and duck is the feminine form. Duck is the feminine. So we will write here duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Okay. Number 7, hen. Hen is the feminine, so its masculine is cock. C-O-C-K, cock. C-O-C-K, cock. Next, fox. Fox feminine is vixen. V-I-X-E-N, vixen. V-I-X-E-N, vixen. Okay, so see now tiger, tigress, gander, goose, bull, cow, lion, lioness, horse, mare, drake, duck, cock, hen, fox, vixen. You have to read these words again and again so you can do it easily. Okay, now come. Exercise number 3. Change the gender of the nouns in color and rewrite the sentences. Here, the gender noun is given in color. We have to change its gender. Number 1. My brother is an intelligent boy. Here, brother is in color. We have to change it. So, brother, feminine is sister. We will write, my sister is an intelligent, and the boy noun is feminine is girl. So, my sister is an intelligent girl. Now, come number 2. The king and the princess went into the forest. Here, king and princess both are the masculine gender. We have to change this. The feminine of king is queen and the feminine of princess is prince. Princess is in feminine gender. We have to change it into masculine. The masculine of princess is prince. So now write the queen and the prince, P-R-I-N-C-E, prince, went into the forest, went into the forest. Okay, number 3. The mare was in the field. We have learned there, mare is the feminine of horse. So we will write here, the horse was in the field. Okay, next, number 4. The lion growled at the tiger. We have learned here, lion is the masculine form and its feminine is lioness, and tiger is also masculine and its feminine is tigress. So we will change like this. The lioness growled at the tiger, at the tigress. Here we have to change the gender, tigress. Okay, next one. My aunt helps me with my homework. Here we have to change the word aunt. Its masculine is uncle. So we will write, my uncle helps me with my homework. Okay, number 6. Rovi's niece is a doctor. Here we have to change the word niece. Niece is a feminine word. Its masculine is nephew. So we will write, Ravi's nephew is a doctor. Number 7. My son likes to play the guitar. The feminine of son is daughter. So we will write, my daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. My daughter likes to play the guitar. Okay, then come number 8. The man was driving a green car. So the feminine of man is women. The woman was driving a green car. Okay, so we have changed according to gender. Okay, now this is your HW. This will be your HW. Your HW is lesson 3, exercise number 3. So this is your HW. My dear students, from now we are starting cutting some of your marks for your spelling mistakes. So you should be careful in your spelling mistakes, and don't forget to mention the HW number. Lecture number 5 and HW number 4. It will be HW number 4. This is HW number 4. Okay. Don't forget to mention the number. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.